Elon Musk, who is still considered the richest man on Earth, is managing to lose his wealth tens of billions at a go. Almost all his ready cash comes from margin loans against Tesla shares. There are two things that could collapse the value of those shares: Cybertruck and Full Self-Driving, which is a product name containing four separate lies. This comes on the heels of news that advertisers who remain on the social network formerly known as Twitter are fleeing after Elon managed to combine both racism against people of color and anti-Semitism in one concise comment on a tweet claiming Jews are creating hatred against white people and want to replace them with immigrants of non-white regions. While this is not as big a factor as Tesla's levitating stock price, buying Twitter is still going to lose Elon about $30 billion. That would be enough for most people. Then there is Starship, the space spruce goose. It blew up again, an event hailed as great progress. The value of SpaceX rests not on Falcon 9 being a good cheap rocket, but on the future prospects of Starlink. Without Starship, Starlink can't launch bigger high-capacity satellites. Without Starlink becoming a global telecom provider with 20 times as many subscribers as it now has and with satellite capacity to serve them, the value of SpaceX will be relatively modest. Just because the rich list says you're the richest man on the planet doesn't mean you can't lose it all. You need to be a bit clever about piling risk upon risk. Top it off with an impulsive $44 billion purchase of a financially intractable social network, and it is relatively easy to see how things can go from $200 billion to a far less remarkable number.